Have you ever seen a plant looks like it's holding tiny piece of the sky? Hi everyone, welcome back to the Green Thumbs Guide. Today's video is about this absolutely beautiful flowering plant, Blue Daze. And trust me, if you love soft blue flowers and low maintenance plant, this one is a must have for your balcony or garden. In this video, I'll share everything from care tips, sunlight, watering, soil, flowering tricks, and even common mistakes to avoid. So make sure you watch till the end. Starting with the plant, this Blue Daze is a very low growing spreading plant known for its stunning sky blue flowers with a soft yellow center. It belongs to the morning glory family and one interesting thing is each flower usually blooms for just one day. But don't worry, this plant keeps producing fresh flowers daily. So if your plant is healthy, you will see multiple blooms almost every day. Just look at my plant today. So many flowers blooming together. This is why I love Blue Daze. Even though each flower is short-lived, this plant never looks empty if it's happy. Sunlight requirement. Now let's talk about the most important thing, sunlight. Blue Daze loves full sun. At least 5 to 7 hours of direct sunlight is ideal. If you see its location in my balcony, it's south facing balcony, and see the entire day sun is there on this plant. So if you keep it in shade or low light, you will notice less flowering, leggy growth, weak plant. So always place this in your sunniest balcony spot. About watering. Watering is simple but very important. Keep the soil slightly moist. Don't let it dry out completely for too long, but also avoid overwatering. In summer, you may need to water daily depending on the heat. In winter, reduce the frequency because overwatering will also kill it. Always check the topsoil before watering. Now about soil mix. For best growth, use a well-draining soil mix. My recommended mix is garden soil, coco peat, compost. I normally use single type of soil for all my plants, but yes, sometimes I can use some material additionally based on the plant's requirement. Make sure water drains out easily because Blue Daze does not like waterlogged soil. So if your drainage is good and your soil is not heavy, and then your plant is good to go, because heavy soil will not help this plant to spread its roots. Now the most exciting part is flowering tips. So if you like flowers, so you need to know how to get more flowers. First is give full sunlight. Use a phosphorus rich fertilizer in every 15 days. Remove dried flowers regularly. Keep pruning lightly to encourage bushy growth. If you follow this, your plant will be full of bloom like this. Now about pruning and shaping. Blue Daze is a spreading plant, so pruning helps a lot. Trim long or leggy stems. This encourages more branching. More branches means more flowers. So you can easily shape it into a compact bushy plant. Now about pot and placement. This plant looks amazing in hanging baskets, white pots and balcony rail planters. If you see mine, it is actually a hanging plant, but I keep it on the floor, on the railing actually. But see the shape of the pot, it is a very white pot. So white pot is required because it is a spreading plant and is cascade beautifully. So if you keep it as a higher level, then it will be easy to cascade. Now about very important thing, that is common mistakes. Let's quickly talk about some common mistakes. Keeping it shade is strictly no because it will not give you flower. Overwatering, that is also a big no because overwatering will hamper its root system, which is very delicate. And heavy and clay soil is also a big no for this plant because as it spread very quickly and its rooting system is very delicate, so it cannot go through the heavy soil. So always give a very light type of soil. And if you don't prune your plant, then your plant will not look bushy. So avoid this and your plant will stay healthy and blooming. You know what I love most about Blue Daze? Its calm, soothing color. It instantly makes the balcony feel peaceful and fresh. And days like today, when multiple flowers bloom together, it just feels magical. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Green Thumbs Guide. And tell me in the comment, do you have a Blue Daze plant in your garden? Or do you want to plant this plant to buy? See you in the next video. Bye till now.